Okay, let's start the structure. The new structure, seventh structure. What is this seventh structure? I have. The structure is I have plus noun. Now let's see the usage of this structure. What is this structure? This structure is used to indicate possession or ownership. The structure is used to indicate possession or ownership of something, means having something. Whatever the thing we have, we can express with this I have. For example, I have a book, I have a pen, like that. So you are the owner of that book. Okay, so let's see some examples. I have a cat. I have a cat. I have a car. I have a job. I have a computer. I have a laptop. I have a I have a pencil. I have a camera, video camera. I have a friend. I have a beautiful family. I have a new bike. I have talent. I have a dream. I have a beautiful garden. I have a question. I have a skill. I have a new project. Okay, in this way we can create as many examples as we can. This is the structure. I have plus noun. After I have, we have to use noun. Okay. So what is the structure? The structure is used to indicate possession or ownership of something, which means I have a cat. I possess a cat. I have a car, which means I possess a car. I have a job, which means I possess a job. I possess a laptop. I possess a pencil. I possess a video camera. Okay. It will be used like this. Okay. The structure is I have plus V1. I have plus noun. Okay. So thank you. Let's meet in the eighth structure. Okay, fine.